All right, today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be architects, but not for buildings. We're talking about the most complex structure in the known universe, a living thing. So let's crack open the blueprint. So where do we start? Well, we're going to start with something you know really well, but at the same time is totally alien. We're going to peel back the layers and dive into this crazy, bustling world that's right underneath your own skin. Seriously, go ahead. Look at the back of your hand right now. What do you see? Skin, maybe some veins, your knuckles. It looks pretty simple, right? Solid. But that is not even close to the whole story. What you're really looking at is something just incredible. If you could just shrink down and zoom in, what you'd see would blow your mind. It's like a massive, bustling city. We're talking millions of tiny, invisible workers, and they are all building you, right now, this very second. Okay, so how does a city like that even work? How does it not just fall into chaos? Well, it all follows this incredibly elegant plan. You can think of it like an architectural blueprint for life itself. It's this perfect, layered design that takes you from stuff you can't even see all the way up to, well, you. And just like any big building project, this one happens in stages. In your body, there are 4 key levels of organization. Each one is built right on top of the one before it. So let's walk through them step by step. All right, let's get our hard hats on. Time to start building. We're about to see how life takes the simplest, most basic materials and turns them into the very rooms and structures that make you, well, you. It all starts with this, the cell. The best way to think about it is like a single smart brick. But here's the thing, you wouldn't build a house with just one kind of brick, right? Life's exactly the same. You've got all these specialized cells, nerve cells, skin cells, muscle cells, and every single one is custom made for its own special job. So what happens when you start putting those bricks together? You get a wall, right? Well, in our bodies, when you group a bunch of similar cells together to do the same job, that's called a tissue. A great example is your muscle tissue. It's basically a huge team of muscle cells all pulling together in perfect sync. Okay, we've got our bricks, we've got our walls. Now, let's put the walls together and build a room. That's an organ. Your heart, for example. It's a structure made up of different kinds of tissues, all working on a bigger project. You've got muscle tissue doing the pumping, nerve tissue telling it when to pump, and connective tissue holding the whole thing together. It's a room with a very specific, very important purpose. So, the rooms are built. Now what? Now we connect them all. We turn this collection of rooms into a fully operational building. This is the top level, the big leagues. These are the incredible teams that run the whole show. And I love the name the source material gives them. They're called the champions. And how many of these teams are there? 11. Just 11. But these are 11 powerful, perfectly coordinated systems that are literally responsible for keeping you alive. Every single second. So here they are, the 11 champions. But honestly, the list itself isn't the amazing part. The real magic is how they all work together. They don't operate in their own little bubbles. I mean, think about it. Your respiratory system brings in oxygen, which is great, but it's totally useless if your cardiovascular system isn't there to move it around your body. And neither of them would do anything without your nervous system acting like the conductor of the whole orchestra. It's the most incredible teamwork you can imagine. Okay, let's zoom out one last time. We've seen the bricks, the walls, the rooms, and these amazing master systems that connect everything. So what do you get when you put it all together? This is the big takeaway. This entire incredible piece of architecture, from that one tiny cell all the way up to this network of systems working in perfect harmony, that's not just some abstract biology lesson. That is you. You are the masterpiece. You are the living system. And here's something to really chew on. This whole thing, this unbelievably complex structure, nobody designed it. It built itself over billions of years of evolution. And that just leaves me with one final question for you. Apart from just, surviving, what's the most amazing thing this incredible, self-built machine has ever managed to create?